Naked Ma 2000 and shit.
Yeah, man. I know this look clumsy a little bit, but I just wanna introduce something that I'm gonna be doing. Yeah, boy. That I'm planning to do, and I need your support on this one. Yeah, boy. I don't know whether it's gonna be a podcast or it's gonna be just clips. Yeah, boy. But I need your help on this one. How? Just comment down below and tell me wanna do this as a podcast or do this as just clips or whatever, man. Yabona. And Glena ndifuna uyenza this time around. I wanna, let me see. Okay, ndivele kahle. So I wanna if it's a podcast, right? Igama layo, it's no longer gonna be Naked Man podcast, right? It's gonna be Masincokole. Why? It's gonna be Masincokole because I wanna have everyone. Consider everyone. I do not wanna focus into music. I do not wanna focus into arts. I do not wanna focus into a specific thing. I just wanna talk about everything. I want us to talk about everything. And then with life, with inspiration, with motivation. Ubone nje iwe just to have abantu different apart from art. Obviously, we're gonna have a band that does music, obviously, and we're gonna talk about their career. We're gonna talk about their whatever. Yeah, man. But I do not want to box it and funugians and it is a podcast specifically ngento ethile. But ndixhomekeke kuwe ucomment down below. Please comment down below. Utsho ubana yenze podcast lewe. Yabo? Yenze podcast lewe. And Umasincokole is the name, guys. I'm not changing it. I'm not arguing with anyone who's saying whatever. At first, ngoku bengicing about ngifuna ukwenza podcast, I thought let me have a podcast under the name Naked Mind. Yabo? But I sat and I thought through lewe bana no, let me not. Let me open it. If mhlawumbi kukhona umuntu that wants to share istory sakhe, mhlawumbi wayedlwenguliwe, mhlawumbi omnye wayebanjiwe etyholiwe, or wayebanjiwe engatyholwanga, yabona but watshintsha, omnye ubona, like there's a lot that I want us to talk about. Yabona? A single mother ekhulisa abantwana bayo, amajita awutata babalekile okanye utata ubalekile, okanye utata ukhulisa abantwana bakhe, umama she's nowhere to be found, or even worse, mhlawumbi umzali oyi-one akasekho emhlabeni, uyabona. But now you wanna share la journey yobana kunjani ukhulisa abantwana uwedwa. Mhlawumbi your family is assisting here and there, but you wanna share esa story. You are welcome, yabo. So that is why ndiyenza uMasincokole. If uyayiva ke ngoxa ndizama ukutyebisela yona, I want it ibe nguMasincokole based on that, yabo. Obviously I'm gonna have your hip hop artists enizithandayo nazo soncokola ngejourney yazo, and challenges ne failures ne W's zazo njalo. Yabo, just to have into that's gonna inspire us. Yeah, but we have brothers, they say in Cape, that are doing very well. That we need to have. Yeah, but we have brothers that are in the Western Cape that are doing very well. JHP Durban that are doing very well. Esquas you figure like Gubo, we're gonna bring them and just have a conversation. Yeah, but Sincokole. Yeah, but just gonna be, yeah, my name is Peza TKG apa NSR Ikamalam Dengu. The channel is 77. Yeah, but I want you to know me. Yeah, so boom. Okay, when ngabani sharp Masincokole. What brings you here? And then we go. Yeah, do me a favor. Share this video. Comment down below. Subscribe, most importantly, subscribe to this video. I know it's a video. The more I see comments zenu and your likes the more I'm gonna be inspired. Yabon, please do me that favor. Let's go. Kudala ndichuchiswa ngale way. I think I wanna do it now. If not because of space, because I'm gonna find a way to do it. No matter if nyanzelekile ndikhuphe le couch esemva kwami, I will take it out. If nyanzelekile ndikhuphe something up, I will take it out. But we need to start shooting. Bafethu, one time.